Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for the like. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I am hungry na eh. Gutom na talaga ako kasi 2:32 p.m. Wala ba akong kain? I don't have lunch. It's already 2:32 p.m. right now. Wala pa akong kain. Kasi walang ulam, guys. Kaning mais. Walang ulam. Oh. Diba? Hindi naman ako nag-iinarte eh. Talaga lang walang ulam. Baka sabihin na naman nag-iinarte tayo. Kakampi ni Kabutoy. Hello, thumbs up. Kakampi ni Kabutoy. Hello po, Sir Kabutoy. Salamat po. Kakampi ni Kabutoy. Ang maraming mga pangalan ah. Ang galing din mag-isip. Salamat. Pusog ang ulan sa Zamboanga del Norte. Ulan na po. Ay, lagyan kita ng jacket kakampi ni Kabutoy kasi ano to? Hello sa 5 viewers and 12. Ako talaga guys, magla-live hanggang mamaya. Oo. Kasi, wala eh. Gulam fair. Assalam alaikum. Wassalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Haji Gulam 5 viewers and 12. Haji, can you please like? Haji. Hello everyone. 10 viewers. Hello. 10 viewers and 12. Hello, shout out. Thank you very much. Buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Suliranin din lang. Ito naman sa iyong puso. Kaya mo yan. Pagka di ko yan lang. Kumugulo sa isipan. Malapit sa ulo. Apa ka? Ayun na. Haji Gulan, can you please talk to me in English? No talking other language except English and Tagalog. So, English, Tagalog, and Bisaya. Only that language I accept. Oh, diba? May pa-accept pa ng English at Tagalog at Bisaya. Ngayon. Hello, guys. I don't accept the other language because I don't understand. It's very difficult to understand. Hard to understand. Oh, diba? Ang English natin, English Kalabaw. Mahal na English Kalabaw. At least. Secret. 7 and 12. Kaya mo yan. 7 and 12, hello. Haji, can you please talk to me in English only or Tagalog or Bisaya? Basta, I accept 3 languages only. 3 languages only. Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Because I don't understand other language in other countries. 7 and 12, shout out. 7 and 12, hello.